Welcome to Volatility Trading Strategies. So in this video, I'm going to give you everything you need to know to actually follow along with our tactical strategies. And it doesn't matter if you've never traded before, even if you have no experience executing trades, after you watch this video, I think you'll get the sense that this is something that anybody from any background can participate in. So I'll divide it into two parts. In this first video, we'll just talk about the email signals and how to interpret those. And then in the second video, I'll actually open up my trading software, execute a trade during live market hours, and show people that this is something that anybody can do. I know it's a little bit intimidating for some people to actually execute trades. They may not have done that before, but after watching that video, I think you'll get the confidence that you really can do this. So go over to the subscribe tab really quick, and you'll notice that we have two strategies that we trade here. The first one in green, this tactical volatility. This is our more aggressive strategy that trades the volatility products, XIV and VXX. And then we also have a more conservative strategy, the tactical balanced, which focuses on stocks, bonds, and gold. And you can get more detail on the performance tab of how they've done. You can subscribe to either one of these on their own. They both function very well as standalone investments. But in the interest of diversification and long-term safety, we do also offer the Total Portfolio Solution, which just combines both of them. And there's a discount for that. It's $80 per month. As most people know, management fees within the financial industry can be very disastrous for long-term returns. They can be a real drag. So our Total Portfolio Solution is very efficient from a fees perspective. So how do we do this? Well, I've focused on trying to keep it as simple and uncluttered as possible. So for those people out there who like to see a lot of charts and graphs and a lot of information, feel free to email me and I will open up a conversation with you. We can talk about all the technical details you want. But for most people, I feel like, people are working, they have families. They just want to open their email, get the signal, and get the trade done. So that's what we've done. We basically I send one email per day. I send them all out before 12 p.m. Eastern Time. And within your email, it'll just tell you your trade signal and then a little picture, what we call the VTS indicator, the Volatility Trading Strategies indicator. For the tactical volatility strategy, we'll look something like this. You'll get your email signal for the day and then a little picture beside it. This needle will point to one of only three possible positions that you could take that day: the XIV, a cash position, or VXX. The tactical balance strategy will be the same. It'll tell you what the daily signal is, and then the needle will point to one of only three possible positions that the strategy takes. MDY is for stocks, IEF for bonds, and the GLD for gold. So both strategies are very simple. There's only three positions for each of them, and we'll only be in one position at a time because these are tactical. So the needle will point to what you want, and it'll be very simple to interpret. Now, something that comes up a lot, people ask, do they have to be glued to their computer screen? Do they have to be very well informed about the markets? No, this is not day trading. You don't even have to look at those things. You don't have to know anything about the markets. That's the point, is that I've done the work so that you don't have to. But just for your interest's sake, the volatility strategy averages just 3 trades per month. So it's very inactive. This isn't something you're going to be doing every single day. The tactical balance strategy is slightly more active, but again, only 3.5 per month. So quite a few days, you'll just open up your email. You'll see the signals have not changed. You'll just maintain your position and nothing will happen. On those few days that you actually have to execute a new trade, you'll just open up your trading software and go ahead and do that. And in the next video, I will show you exactly how easy that is. It really is just a minute or two, so don't be intimidated by that. And the only thing is, there's a slight difference between cash accounts and margin accounts, but I'll get into that in the next video. So if you want to see just a couple of sample emails, they will look something like this. For the tactical volatility, we'll just tell you what the daily position is. In this case, it's cash. And then down here, the needle will point to the cash. Same thing with the tactical balanced. Here's the signal, maintain your bond position. And then again, the needle for the volatility trading strategies indicator points to that IEF. So it's very easy to read, easy to interpret. You can just open the email and get it right away. Here's another email showing that the positions are changing. So again, this one goes from a cash to an XIV, and it says that you should buy the XIV that day. Tactical balance, the same thing. sell your current IEF bond holdings, and move into a long MDY stock position. And there's the needle pointing to that. So this is very straightforward. Hopefully people get the idea that I'm not going to be cluttering your inbox with a bunch of things that you don't understand and that you don't need. You're just going to be getting the signals, and that's it. And then you can execute the trades on your own. So now I'm actually going to open up my trading software and execute a couple of trades just to show people how easy that is. So please check out that next video.